In this video I'm going to focus on tunnel strings and plan view boundaries. These are useful for surveyors, particularly if they're reporting in 2D. To start off, make sure you got your surface selected. You can use scans if you want to. Select your tunnel strings. Provide your center lines created earlier. Select the Advanced tab and input the parameters accordingly. You'll notice there's an option to include a rib string. Essentially, this is a string that will be created from the bottom floor string up to a specified height as indicated there. Select input. You can handle multiple objects independently. Let's say you've got various surfaces like we have here with multiple stages of development. Make sure you got your scan selected and select OK. You'll notice that tunnel strings have been created, and I'll hide the surface for now. If I go to the container, you can see that there are floor strings, rib strings, sidewall strings, etc. You can select those and go Control 2 to give them a different color. I'll remove those and load up some similar strings that I've created earlier, where I've allocated each string with a color. Under the Home tab, under Legend, you can create a text legend. In this case, I've created one, which simply highlights what string represents which part of the drive. Selecting the surface again, go back to the Underground tab and select Plan View Boundaries. You can click anywhere in 3D to give it a specified location. Alternatively, I can put in a parameter here. Make sure I got my surface selected and select OK. Under the CAD container will be the string that was created, as you can see there. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local Maptek office. Have a good day.